Hi guys, I'm on the US dollar Canadian dollar 4-hour chart. All my indicators are in alignment. I'm about to enter a sell trade. And there we go. So I've set my stop loss and I've set my target. And now all we have to do is wait for the trade to play out. I've got all my TBL, TBM, TBS, and switch all pointing in the right direction. Switch and everything looks good for this short trade. I'll be back soon to monitor this. Right, guys, I'm back, and we can see I've placed the trade on the chart. I entered the trade here, and the trade played out, and it hit my take profit target right here. And we made $4,174 on that easy trade. The trade went perfectly, and within 6 candles on the 4-hour chart, we had made our profit. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, I'm just about to enter a trade on the 1 hour of the Euro US dollar. All the conditions for entering the trade have been met, as all of my indicators are in alignment. I'm going to enter a buy trade, so let's do that. There we go. I've set my take profit target up here, and my stop loss is down here. And now we're going to wait to see how this trade plays out, so I'll come back to this shortly. And I'm back just to check on progress, and I see price is moving nicely upward, and all the signals are still in alignment, so I'll be back to check on it again. Okay, so we can see that the price came down, but is now heading back up again, and all our indicators are still showing upward momentum, still aiming for this point here, the take profit target. So we'll come back and have a look at this again. And we've just seen the trade close out. Our take profit target was hit. We entered the trade here, and we exited the trade there. And we can see here that that was a $3,050 nice easy trade. Thanks for watching. We're on the pound US dollar 1-hour chart, and I'm about to enter a long trade. All the conditions for entry according to the Tradeonix Pro system rules for an aggressive type entry have been met, and I'm going to buy into the market. So I set my stop loss and my take profit level, and now we're going to see how this trade plays out. So I'll be back to monitor the trade. Okay, I'm back, and we can see that this trade played out nicely. Within just a few hours, we saw that our target was hit right here. An easy trade, and we made $3,005 on that trade. Another great trade using the Tradeonix Pro system. Guys, I'm on the Euro US dollar 15-minute chart. I'm about to enter a sell trade, and I'll do that now. And I've set my stop loss over here, entered here, and that's my take profit target. All the indicators had lined up telling me that I can go short, so I've entered a short trade here. And now I'm going back just to wait and see how this trade plays out, and I'll be back. So I'm back, and I see that within just a few hours we've hit our target. We entered here, and we got our take profit hit here. So that made $2,510 in this quick, easy trade. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, I'm on the US dollar Canadian dollar 15-minute chart, and I'm about to enter into a buy trade, so let's do that. My stop loss is here. That's my entry point, that's my target. All the indicators were signaling to me that I could go long, and so I've entered the trade. Now I'm going to wait and see what happens, and I'll come back to monitor the trade. So it's just a few hours later, and I'm back, and we can see that we entered price here, we entered the market there, and our take profit target was hit right here. With this trade, we made $2,559.60 within just a few hours. A nice, simple trade. Thanks for watching. Guys, I'm on the Euro US dollar 15-minute chart. All the signals have lined up for a buy trade, and at this point, I've set my stop loss and my take profit. And now I'm going to enter it. And I've set it. I traded it 2-to-1. And we can see here's my stop loss. This is my take profit target level. And now we're just going to wait for this trade to play out. I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, so now I'm going to modify my stop loss. I can't lose now. I'm in the trade. I'm still waiting for it to play out. So I'll come back and check on it later. Right, guys, I'm back. And as you can see, this trade played out beautifully. We hit our target at this point here. And although it took a while to play out, it was profitable. $2,505 in profit. A great trade. Thanks for watching. I'm on the US dollar, Canadian dollar chart, 15-minute time frame, and all the indicators are in alignment, signaling a sell trade. I'm going to enter that trade now. I've set my stop loss and my take profit target, and we're going to wait for this trade to play out. So I'll be back later to see the progress. Okay, so I'm back, and we can see that the trade has played out successfully. We can see that we entered here, and then we exited here. And we profited with $1,759. And this was just in a matter of a few hours. Another great trade. I'm looking at the US dollar, Canadian dollar on a 15-minute time frame. And all the conditions for entering a short trade have just been highlighted to me. I'm now going to enter the trade, a short trade, with my predetermined settings. All right, I've set my stop loss and my take profit level, and now all we need to do is wait for the price to move down. So I'll come back and monitor this trade and keep you updated on the progress. Okay guys, I'm in another trade at the moment, but I'm just coming back to review the trade that we took earlier. We can see that this is where we entered there. And eventually, that's where we were taken out in profit here. And the profit on that trade was $1,502. It retraced and hit our stop loss. However, that's fine. We still made a profit. $1,502 using proper trade management. Easy. Thanks for watching. All right, guys. So I've just entered into a trade, and it's a short trade. I've set my stop loss and my take profit target, and all the indicators were in alignment. This told me that I could enter short, and so we entered short. And I'll be monitoring this trade until it plays out, so I'll come back soon. And I'm back, and I've placed the trade on my chart. So I can see that this trade played out perfectly from there down to here. The profit is $1,115 in just over 3 hours. Not bad. Thanks for watching. All right, guys. So I have an aggressive trade lined up here using the Tradeonix Pro system, and I'm about to enter the trade. We're going to go long, so I've set my stop loss and my take profit target according to the rules of the system on the Euro US dollar 1 hour chart. And we're in the trade. The stop loss is set down here, and the take profit target is up here. And now let's see how this plays out. I'll be back shortly. I'm back, and we can see that the price has moved upwards and is still in our favor. It nearly hit our take profit target there. We've now moved our stop loss, and currently it's at this level here, which means that no matter what happens now, the trade will close in profit. So we've been following the trade management techniques used with the Tradeonix Pro system, and we're still in the trade. I'll pause this video shortly, and we'll come back in a short while, and we're looking forward to our take profit target being hit. And worst case scenario, if the price does reverse against us, then we will be out in profit with our stop. Currently, we're over $2,000 in profit, and I'd like to see this close either way, but let's just give it a bit of time to breathe. I'm back, and we can see that the trade played out. Price came back down to my stop and then reversed back up, and would have taken me out in full profit, but that's just the way trading goes sometimes. I'm still pleased though, as I still made $780 profit on this trade in just a few hours. Thanks for watching.